We'll guide you through how to turn on the Safe Search filter in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having this turned on is going to go and make Chrome a lot safer to go and use. And we're going to guide you through some other safety features we can go and use as well to go and make Chrome as safe as possible. Perhaps a young person uses this device and see what's going to keep them safe, or perhaps it's for yourself, because there's a lot of dangerous things on the internet, from inappropriate content to dangerous websites and more. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and keep protected from them. So make sure this full guide is uncovering important things throughout this whole video. So without any further ado, let's go and get right into this. So make sure you're in Chrome as I currently am. And what we need to do is go and head to the Chrome settings. So you can go and head to the top right. There you're going to go and see some different options, but press the three dots, head down the list, and you can go and find the option for settings, and you want to go and tap on it like so, and the settings are now going to go and open up. So from here, you now need to go and scroll down into the basic section, not far at all. And what you want to go and look for is privacy and security. Now, what we want to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit, and you want to come into security. So the first feature we can go and enable is safe browsing. So you can tap there. At the moment, I've got it set to no protection, but we've got standard and enhanced. So what this will do is it's going to go and use real-time and AI-powered protection against dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions, which is going to be good. So we can go and select that there. So this is really good for protecting yourself against dangerous sites. Next, what you want to do is come out of here by pressing the back button at the bottom or at the top. And you can go and see we're going to have that turned on. What you want to do is go and press search at the top. And for this next one, we need to actually go and type in Google. Sounds a bit counterintuitive, but head to google.com or search for Google and then come to Google by clicking in the search. Then what you need to do is come down to the footer in Google. You need to go and scroll down potentially and find the option for settings. And in here, you want to then go and tap on it like so. I tapped the wrong one, come back. Make sure you press settings, and then you can press search settings like so. And you want to go down into content. You'll see search personalization and then safe search. And you can tap safe search and we'll have the option for blur and filter. You want to go and set this to filter like so. So now it's going to go and filter out explicit images, text, and links. So that's the safe search filter on. So another way after doing this to go and make it even safer when you're browsing the web in Chrome is pressing the three dots in the top left again. Go down and find the option for settings. Then what you want to do is go into basics and find the option for privacy and security. And you want to come into here. And in here, you want to go and scroll down and you're going to find the option for use secure DNS. Tap here. And you want to go and choose another provider. We can then go and press customized. And we're going to see these different options. We can actually go and use the clean browsing family filter. This is then going to go and be another safety filter, basically, stopping access to those bad sites and dangerous sites and inappropriate ones. Then what you can do is come back and that's it. You've now successfully gone and turned it on, and Chrome should now be a lot safer when browsing the internet. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post guides like this every single day. I'm sure we'll be able to go and help you out again in the future with something else. So feel free to go and check out the channel and subscribe and like for more. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below, and I'll try my best to get back to them and hopefully go and help you out with it.